you are probably like appalled on how I just washed my car. How I made my car cleaner than it was, but it's one of the benefits of having a shitty paint job. Paint is complete trash. It's really like a matte finish, almost. I mean, you can see like a little bit of glare on it. I actually used my buffer and I buffed it, and this was as good as it got. So I don't think there's much saving this paint, especially with all like the holes through it to the original color down this side. I know it's on the gas cap and other spots, but it is what it is. I figured it was worth a shot to try to clean up the paint a little bit, but that's all I got. Alright, so I've been gone for a little bit because, to be honest, I've been a little unmotivated to make some videos because it's been extremely hot out, and I haven't really had much to do, so there's really no mods to install because been focusing on working on the house, because that's more important than a car at the moment. Because I mean, kind of, right? You could sleep in a car, but you can't race a house. So maybe I should focus on this more. Oh yeah, so what was it? 2 weeks ago, maybe 3. I actually did a track day with the car. I was at the Pocono Raceway in Poconos. Trailered the car there. I used my pickup truck, rented a trailer from U-Haul, and trailed the car down. And because I didn't want to take risks of this thing like just blowing up on the track, and it's a pretty long ride for no air conditioner, no power steering, which is just not that big of a deal. But the footwell of the car gets to be like 300 degrees, so that's no bueno. Yeah, sorry I didn't film at the track day. It was about 100 degrees at the track day, but luckily, since it's like a full like NASCAR track, they had like the pits and like, I guess it's the paddock. Is that what it's called? We were actually under a cover. We were under an awning in like a garage type deal, so we weren't baking in the sun all day. So it was me and a couple friends. We were there, and then everyone else that was doing it. But it was a lot of fun. The car, not that it overheated, but my water temps hit about 235, I think. I don't think it got up to in the 40s, but it was about 235. So I didn't do that many laps each time out because, once again, it was really hot out, and then the water temps were getting really high. So I was trying to not damage the car so I could use it more until winter time when I try to like do a little more motor work. Right now I'm trying to keep it the way it is. What else to do? I changed my brake pads after the track day, flushed the brake fluid, and did an oil change. So I should have filmed it, but once again it was hot, and it was kind of just like I have a little bit of free time now, so let's do it. So I forgot to pick up the camera. Sorry. Now, if you saw the before and after of the wheels from when I cleaned it just a little earlier, that was all brake dust from the new brake pads. Hopefully, I haven't driven it since I went to like break the pads in, but hopefully it's not that much dust all the time. But I mean, I'll deal with it if it is, because I don't drive it that often, so I'm not going to have to deal with cleaning the brake dust every other day. But I got to do it after I drive because I had to wash the wheel about 3 times, and it's still not even spotless, so whatever. It is what it is. Some of you were probably also cringing about my tool of choice to clean the wheels and tires. First, I was using the Chemical Guys Diablo tire gel stuff. I feel like that's not strong enough. It's good, it cleans nice, but it's usually not that strong enough. I mean, it is like, they give you the concentrated one and you water it down. Maybe I watered it too much, but whatever. Use some Simple Green, because that's a lot stronger, and it doesn't destroy your shit. So use that, and then the sponge. I actually use the rough side of the sponge, but I know people might be like, "Oh, you're gonna scratch the wheels, this, that, the other thing." There's already chips missing out of the wheels. One of them has a bend on the inside. The front and the rears are different shades of orange, and I'm gonna get them powder coated, so maybe I'll get new wheels. I don't know yet, but I'm not gonna stick with this color combo for the life of the car. So however the hell I clean it, whatever works, right? And then trying to think what else I did. Oh yeah, this, I don't know if you can see it from that angle. I added like a little like eyelid on it. Let's see, get you a better view. I added a little eyelid on the car just to change it up a little bit in the meantime, because I'm eventually gonna do the kooky conversion on the front, but I gotta save up some money. There's a lot of things I want to do to the car, so I kind of have to like prioritize them and figure out like, do I want to do the front end swap first? Do I want to do interior first? Do I want to build the motor? Who knows? But yeah, that's all the updates for now. Oh, since my speedometer doesn't work, I put my radar detector from the Subaru in there, and it has a GPS, so now I have a speedometer. I've been thinking like, what else, like in the more near future, do I want to do to the car? I might change the steering wheel, just because it's like a little old. There's nothing against the style of the Momo steering wheel, but I do like it, but it's just like a little old. It's like the stitching's coming apart in some spots, and why not upgrade? I kind of want a suede steering wheel. But I want to thank you guys for joining me again. Sorry, it's been a couple weeks since I made the last video. If you go to my last video, you could actually see the GoPro footage from the track day. I was actually planning on making a video, and then like I said, it was like 100 degrees, and then we really only got 2 times out on the track because other circumstances happened. Watch that video. You want to see some track days, you can see me fuck up on the shifting here and there because I don't drive this car that often. I'm not used to the gearbox. I'm actually going to go edit this video right now and post it. So it is Friday today, and I'm going to try to post it on Friday because I've been slacking hard. Thank you guys for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe. I see the subscriptions still coming in, so thank you guys, all the new subscribers. I think we're almost at 500, so awesome. I'll see you guys in the next one.